Consider a t-distribution with 14 degrees of freedom. Find the probability that t is greater than 0.08. So this is we're dealing with a t-distribution here, which is we still get that bell curve, but it's a little different than a normal distribution. And if you look in the textbook, you could see comparative pictures. They're just slightly different, right? But you still get that mean of 0 here, just like a standard normal distribution. Okay, and we're going to approach this theoretically very similarly to a normal distribution. We want the probability that t is greater than 0.08. So 0.08 is over here somewhere. And greater than 0.08 is this region. And so we want to find this area or this probability. Okay, this area represents the probability that t is greater than 0.08. Okay, so let's go to our notebook. Now, since we're using a t-distribution and not a normal distribution, we won't use p-norm, we'll use pt. And we're using pt because we're looking for the probability. So we want pt, p for probability. Okay, we know the q, which is the value right here, 0.08. And because it's a t-distribution, we have an extra argument. We also need to state the degrees of freedom. So at this point, we're just being told straight up the degrees of freedom. We're told that this t-distribution has 14 degrees of freedom. So we just say we have 14 degrees of freedom. And then we also have, just like with the normal distribution, we have a lower tail argument. So in this case, the lower tail isn't shaded, it's the upper tail that's shaded. So we're going to set lower tail to false. Run that, and that's going to be our answer. That's our probability. There's about 47% chance that a randomly chosen t value from this t distribution is going to be bigger than 0.08. So let's copy that. We put it into our answer box, submit, and we have it.